Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Google AdSense account for YouTube. So if you want to do this, automatically there are two ways. The first one is you have to go to your YouTube channel and go to the earn section, and automatically you will get this option once you complete this monetization, right? 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Automatically you will get this option to create a AdSense account. But still, if you're not getting it, it's really easy. You have to just go to Google and search for AdSense, right? And here you will get this option of Google AdSense. Right click on it and it will ask you to sign up. So we have to just go and click on sign up. Here you have to select the ID, right? Of course you need a Google account, and here it will ask your site. So basically Google AdSense is used to earn money from. You can use this to earn money from by running websites, by running YouTube channel. So I don't have a site right now. Yes, send me the customize help. You can just write here country. So I will select my country here, right? And once I'm done with it, I have read and click on start using AdSense. Now once you just go and click on it, it will load for a few seconds here right now. And as you can see here, my AdSense got started. Now here you have to complete each and everything, right? You have to fill up for what you are using it. But I will advise you, don't create your AdSense account right now. You will automatically get an option to create once you complete this watch time here, and as well as with the subscribers, because that is a much more easiest way. Because YouTube know that what kind of a AdSense account you need, right? So you don't need to go with the lengthy process and you have to fill up all this information. So this is lengthy process, so I will ask you just wait for it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.